in KCDW, when you want to print out a floor plan or an elevation view, all you need to do is go up to File, Print Drawings, and select All Active Views. Now this will highlight the floor plan view and the elevation that you have any cabinets on. Notice these other elevations did not highlight because we really have no cabinets on those walls. Now if we wanted, we could click on them, but that would be somewhat senseless because we don't have any cabinets on it. Now, when you show that you picked floor plan and elevation and you click OK, it will print the floor plan and elevation views. But something you want to consider is this. Right here, you can tell it to show the doors or not show the doors. Maybe show the accessories, which would be any tables and chairs or electrical outlets, any kind of things that dress up the job. Well, maybe you don't want to show those. Or maybe you don't want to show the unit numbers right here. Once again, these are just choices or switches for yes or no. Now, for a customer, you might want to do it in color, whereas for the shop, you'd do it in black and white. Now, the dimension level really depends on if it's for the customer or for your shop and what level you like to look at. Now, what I'm going to do is go back to the elevation view here, and I'm going to show you what different dimension levels you have to choose from and what they are. And everything that we see on the screen would be exactly what you would print out. Now, I'm going to take the doors off the cabinets because when we show more detailed dimensions, it makes a little more sense. Now, there is a shortcut in the program called SD for Show Doors. I just type SD and it takes the doors off or puts them on. SD takes them off. Now, I could have gone up to Doors and clicked Show Doors, and it does the same thing. Now, on the dimension level, if we click here, you'll notice dimension level 0 means no dimensions, which makes perfect sense. Dimension level 1 gives you kind of an overall dimension. Level 2 breaks down the details on the side as far as the distances between the countertop and the bottom of the cabinet. Dimension level 3 includes your openings with everything that dimension level 2 does. And dimension level 4 gives you your style and rail widths. Here's your top rail at 4, your bottom rail at 2, left style at 2. Now, there is another dimension level called door size, which, once again, comes in handy, I think, whenever you're laying something out and you just want to see what a door size is just to get a general idea where you're at. So, once again, you use the things you need when you need them. Now, I'm going to go to dimension level 3. I'm going to take Show Doors, and we're just showing the openings again. Now, when I change my view, you'll notice that this gives me the depth, my overall width. Notice this is 22 inches. These are 21. These are 5. So anything that we're showing on the screen can print out. And like I said, it really just depends on if it's for the customer or if it's for you. But definitely use the things that are there and determine which one works best for your situation.